Yo, what is going on everybody? My name is Chris and welcome to my channel. I'm a 17-year-old entrepreneur and massive success dropshipping online with Shopify. So in today's video I'll be explaining what dropshipping is, how you can get started, and how I generated over $46,000 in sales in my first month with my most recent Shopify store. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, for those who don't know what dropshipping is, it is basically selling a product that you don't physically handle. This is how dropshipping works. There's a customer, you, and the supplier. What you do is import goods from AliExpress into your store. Then the customer sees that product in your store, they like it and they pay for it. You then pay your supplier for that product and they will then ship that product to the customer without you having to physically handle anything. So this business module is extremely easy to do, and it means you can create your own store for pretty much $0 and then scale it to over 5, 6, 7 figures. You may be thinking, how can this be true? Why don't they just buy from the supplier at a cheaper rate? And when I was starting out, I thought the exact same thing. So here's 4 reasons why dropshipping works. Number 1, consumer awareness. The customer may not be aware that this product is available for cheaper or is even available on other sites. Number 2, you offer an irresistible deal. When I say an irresistible deal, I do not mean a deal that's better than what AliExpress are offering, because then you'd be operating on a loss. Instead, I mean make your deal look better than what's already on AliExpress. There are a few ways I do this, but the most effective one for me has been the free plus shipping deal. What I do is advertise the product for free, but then charge $12.95 shipping on the back end. Since the customer has already entered in all their details, they are more likely to follow through with the purchase than if you already mentioned it before. Number 3, China have developed a bad name for itself when it comes to online shopping. For this reason, people won't trust sites like AliExpress and they won't buy from them. And number 4, better marketing. From my experience, most, if not all manufacturers on AliExpress don't use Instagram influencers or Facebook ads to advertise their products. As a result, you have a huge market of people who haven't seen your product and may be interested in purchasing. To get started, you go to Shopify.com. I'll leave a link in the description to make it easier for you. When you go to that, you'll be brought to this page that is now on your screen. You come down, enter in your email address and then press get started. You'll then be brought to this page where you enter a password and a store name. I suggest picking your products before making a store so you can choose your name based on your niche. So when you've entered that, you'll then be able to customize your store. I won't be going through setting up a store in today's video. However, if you'd like me to make a video on how I set up my stores, let me know in the comments, as that is something I'm definitely interested in doing. So one question I get asked a lot is dropshipping expensive to start? And the simple answer to that is no. However, it does help to have some spare money to invest in your store. This is because the more money you invest, you'll have a better influencer and then therefore you'll have more profits. However, if you are starting with $0, DM me on Instagram and I'll give you a few tips on how to start making money. So now the question I'm sure you all came here for: how did I generate $46,000 in sales in my first month of my most recent store? I'll be mentioning a few ways I was able to generate such a high volume of money in such a short amount of time. Obviously I can't go into too much detail in this video because I don't have the time and I want this to be a short introduction video. So make sure you're subscribed down below and also hit the bell button because you want to be notified for whenever I post a more in-depth video on each of the topics I'm about to mention. So one thing I did is I automated my store. I hired people through Upwork to fulfill my orders and do customer service. This gave me more time to focus on the things that would generate me money instead of slaving around working for things that weren't going to generate me any money. Since I outsourced it to a foreign country, it was also extremely cheap, and for every 1,000 orders I only had to pay €20. So that was 10 hours work for €20. Another thing that I done was I found a winning product. I done this by lots of product research. I checked what Instagram influencers were posting, trending pages on AliExpress, websites that showed the stores that were getting the most traffic, and also some sites that were showing products that were growing in popularity. I also created an irresistible deal. I offered a free plus shipping product to celebrate the global launch of my store and also used lots of scarcity tactics to get the customer to buy on the spot. If the customer didn't buy on the spot, I also used retargeting ads through Facebook and email marketing to retarget them. This is because a lot of people abandoned their carts when they saw the shipping price, but then changed their mind and wanted the product. Another reason why my store performs so well is because I have experience with Facebook ads and Instagram influencers. I have a specific strategy for Facebook ads that works every time, and I also have a long list of influencers that work, and I also know how to find good influencers through a little bit of research. I believe the advertising was one of the most crucial parts of my strategy. Also, before launching my store, I sorted out all my payment gateways so I wouldn't run into any roadblocks while my store was open. This was because in previous stores I've had PayPal hold money from me and stop accepting payments, so this prevented me from having any roadblocks or problems with PayPal or Stripe throughout the month. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I do apologize for being really short, but I am extremely busy at the moment. However, my next few videos will be a lot longer, and I'll be explaining my Facebook ad strategy, my Instagram strategy, and how I differentiate my store from others. So I suggest that you subscribe if you are interested in that. If you liked this video or found anything in it helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Also, if you have any questions or video suggestions, let me know them in the comments down below. And until next time, peace. Young Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.